Hi there, my name is William Stewart. I'm making a video testimonial for Johncrestaniscam. I've just been on a webinar with him and I was so impressed with his work ethic. I was so impressed with his knowledge, his breadth and depth of knowledge, and I was not disappointed, and I thought I wouldn't be, because the guy who introduced me to him, a good friend of mine, had said that he's somebody worth listening to. Now, I've been in business for a long time. I've made lots of mistakes, made loads of money. I've had businesses that I've started, businesses I've sold, businesses that I've failed, and one of the things you get with that is you get to know when someone is the real deal. Now, John certainly seems to be the real deal to me, and on the webinar he had a demonstration where he made over $800 in 25 minutes. So his stuff works, his system works, but I was most impressed with the 3 things he said you need for success. Took down loads of notes. He said that you need to be committed, you need to be focused, and you need to be dedicated. Now, as I say, I've been in business a long time, and these things are absolutely, entirely, 100% true. I was really impressed with that. I got a lot of value in the presentation that he did, because not only do I know that his system works, but I know that he knows what he's talking about. He showed a couple of tips, a couple of tricks that he does without going into too much detail, which you wouldn't expect. In the affiliate marketplace, you've got to listen to people who know what they're talking about. If you're interested in finding out about affiliate marketing, you're interested in about a system that's repeatable, that works, you would do really well to listen to John. So with that said, I'm going to stop the testimonial. Check John out. I think you can get him on Facebook. I've not checked yet. I think you can get him on his own website. However, one of the things I do know, and I don't think about this, is that if you want to learn from someone, you need to learn from someone who's very good at what they do. John is very good at what he does, and he's a solid guy.